I have seen the photo that your mom sent to me. Uh, it's your class lesson, right? But still, I owe you the explanation for your homework. Two problem, correct? Two problem. Still, I owe you the explanation for the homework previous time. Correct. Okay, sorry, my connection is a little weak. Okay, so maybe we do the your homework first, and then if we have time, we can, yeah, if we have time, we can go for the lesson you have. And do you have any other homework for us for now? Okay. We try the two question first, and then if we have time, we can have more homework. Okay? So let's do. Hmm. We have number 9 and number 10. I think number 10 is a little bit easier than number 9. Number, what do you think? Have you read the number, your homework, number 9 and number 10? Oh, so you only, yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh, you don't really get it. So so your friend is already the gifted student. Okay. So I can start with number 10 is a little bit easier and then we go to the harder, right? If we go for the harder, then you will like, I don't want to study math anymore. So let's try with the number 10s. So, so number 10, the question is asked that, let me share this. Okay. So number 10, they say three third. First of all, three fifth. So number 10, they say three-fifth of the t-shirt in the t-shirt shop are blue, correct? Three-fifth, meaning three-fifth are blue. Three-fifth of the t-shirt are blue. Three-fifth, quarter, quarter, three over five. If you write in fractions, three-fifth is three over five. Yes. So, for example, in that t in that shop, t-shirt shop, if there's like five t-shirt, like overall are five t-shirt, three of them are blue. Do you get the fractions? Yeah, five is overall, but we're not sure like is it five or not five. But for example, if that 50, let's say 50 t-shirt in the shop, then how many blue are there? 50, yes. If okay, like if let's say I draw this, we know that if there are five t-shirts, if there are five t-shirts in the shop, I draw. Okay, we have couple here, couple here. If there are five t-shirts in a shop, three of them are blue, right? This we already understand. But what if there's 50 t-shirt in the shop? 30, right? 30. So if 50 t-shirt in the shop, 30 are blue. Okay. Three hours. And then we know that these, okay, this is one. We know that three fifth are blue. And next, we also know that five each of those blue t-shirt are on sale. Let's try. Five, eight. You see my whiteboard, right? But okay, I write on this laptop. My letter is not very clear, but it's okay. Five each are on sale. Are on sale. Five each of the blue t-shirt are on sale. So how can you find the blue t-shirt on sale in in overall t-shirt shop? We divide or multiplies. Let's say we have first of all the first que- the first phrase we understand that three out of the five are blue. We don't know like the other two is red or yellow. We don't care. And then, for example, if these we change the fraction to 1 over 2, meaning that out of that 3, half of them are on sale. Correct? Now, don't care about the 5 over 8. For example, we put the easier number 1 over 2. 1 over 2 are on sale of the blue t shirt. How can we calculate? Yes, for example, how can we logically we can understand that for example overall are five t-shirt, three are blue, I write with my pen so not good. For example one like half of the blue mean half of the three are on sale, half of the blue t-shirt are on sale. The second hypothesis, half of the blue are on sale. So how can we calculate? If we know that three t-shirts are blue, half of them divide by, should we divide or multiply? If we divide by two fraction, it will be look like this. Correct? Three, it look like it's not the max number. It's divide by two fraction. Maybe you haven't studied that yet, but divide will look like. No, how about we multiply 3 times 1 over 2, which is equal to 3 over 2, correct? So if half of them, 1, 2 mean half, right? 1, 2 is half. So half of the blue t-shirt are on sale. Now, if we multiply, we get 3 over 2. Does it look like correct? It does. Yeah, yeah, it will be like 3 divided by 2 mean 3 half. Okay, so 3 over 2 of blue are on sale. So look back to our problem. We have we have 5 over 8 of the blue are on sale. So how can we do? Multiply, yes, we multiply. So 5 of the 8 are on blue. Now to find the blue t-shirt and are on sale. Blue and sale equal to, this is the blue number t-shirt. 3 over 5 times 5 over 8. Correct? Yes. Now to find the blue t-shirt and are on sale, we take this fraction time this fractions. Do you follow? Yes. Yes, will be like 15 equal to 15 over 40. Yes, correct. So to multiply two fraction, we multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay. Yes. Oh, this is 40. Sorry. It's not correct. Correct. This is 40. Okay. Now, next is, okay, maybe next. And the third hypothesis, they told us that one third of the blue and air on sale, one third of that blue and on sale are size M's. Correct? So how can we do? We already found the blue and sale on sale, which is here is 15 over 40. So to find the blue on sale and size M's, blue on sale and size M, we just replace this by the result that we found, 15 over 40, which is 1 over 3 times 15 over 40. Yeah, which equal to 15 over 120, correct? That is the blue t-shirt on sale and size M's. Now, the fraction 15 over 120, can we simplify the fraction? Can we simplify to make it like reduce? We can simplify by what? Like 2, 5, 3. Yes, we can simplify by 3, but when we simplify by 3, mean we divide 15 by 3, the denominator also by 3, correct? So if we divide 15 by 3, What do we get? 5 and by 120 divided by 3 is 5 over 40, yes. But now, can we still simplify this fraction? Maybe. Yes. What can we simplify by 5? But yeah, but that is a good answer. We can divide by 5. Now we know 5 can divide by 5. Can 40 divide by 5? Can 40 divide by 5? Yeah, it's end up with 1 a. So can we simplify more? 1 a? No, so that is the answer. 1 a. Okay, okay. For example, if the first one, if you haven't calculated this yet, for example, the result, you don't put the result yet. So, okay, blue and on cell as 3 over 5 times 5 over 8, for example, here, so that you can simplify later. So, blue on cell and psi m's. This is the faster way. So, what we need to find is blue on cell and psi m. Can I write this? Blue on cell and psi m's. Yes. So, what is our blue? What is our blue number? 3 over 5, right? 3 out of the 5, yes. 3 out of the 5 t-shirts. So the blue here is 3 out of the 5. Now, what is the number of the cell blue? The cell, yes. The cell is cell and on cell. The second sentence. 5H, right? 5H of those blue and on cell. That's what they told. Yes. So 5H of the blue air cell. This is a faster way. And the third sentence, they say that one third of the blue, one third of the blue and cell, meaning that these continue one third of blue and cell assign medium. So one third of them assign medium. Then this is the result. This is the result. But we want the fraction to be simplifiable, right? Already simplified. So we can like multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and get 15 over 120. Yeah, 120. But in order to make it even faster than that, these three multiplication fraction can be simplified. Can we simplify these three multiplication fractions? We have numerator 3, we have now we have numerator 3, denominator 3. Can we simplify? Yeah. Ah. So when we have numerator and denominator the same number, when we multiply we can simplify them. Here we simplify by 3. Here we have 5. Denominator we have 5, so we can simplify these two as well. So the last result will be 1 over 8. Faster, right? A little bit faster. Like we don't need to calculate these to 15 and divide by 120, and then we simplify back and get the result of 1 over 8. It take a little times. But if you see this, 3 and 3, the same number, we can simplify. 5 and 5 is the same number, so we can also simplify. So what we have left is 1 and 8. 1 as the numerator, 8 as denominators. So this is the result, yes. This is the result. And the same, right? The same. But this is faster, a little bit faster. Mm. Oh, this. Oh, this one. Yeah. Multiply. Yeah, you need to multiply first and then try to figure out what can we simplify, and then we simplify one time, two times, and then it's kind of waste of time. So why don't we use this? Easier and faster. Okay, so the question number 10, uh, is it okay so far? Okay. So now we have finished the number 10s. Let's move to number 9. Number 9 is a bit harder, but not really hard. Okay. So it's a critic reasoning. Okay, critic reasoning. Student put 2 1 4. Okay, they put 2 1 4 pound, 2 1 4 pound into a bag, into a bags. Excuse my drawing, not really good. And each of those are weighed. Okay, we don't know how many bags as this question. They don't tell like how many bags, but we know that that trail mix putting into all these bags, and we, yeah, all these bags, we get the weight of 3 over 8. Yeah, each of them are weight 3 over 8. This is the question, right? For Okay, I give you another related example. For example, you have a good number, let's say like you have 10 orange and you put into the bag, we don't know how many bag, but each of them receive 2 orange. With 2 orange. We don't know how many bags, but each of them receive 2 orange. Maybe 3 bags, 2 bags, 5 bags. We don't know. So how can we know how, like, how many bags that we have? We divide, yes, we divide. So what can we divide? For this question, for example, we have 10 orange and we put that orange into the bags, and we know that each of that bag have 2 orange. So how many bags? So how many bag do we have? We have 5 bags. Logically, we can understand that we have 5 bags. So, but can we find the 5 as your answer? Yes, yes. Yeah, we divide 10 by 2. Okay, this example is easy. For another example, for example, you have 6 iPhone. Have 6 phone, yeah. iPhone or whatever. You have 6 phone, iPhone. You want to share to your, you give to your siblings 2 phone. When you have 2 phone, you have to your let's say like you have to your brother 2 phone. Each of them receive 2 phone. So how many friend? Let's say like you have 6 phone. For example, you have 6 phone already, but then you want to give 2 phone to your friend. So how many friend do you have? Yeah, how many friend do you have? Not not reality, but this is example. Yeah, you have 6 phone. Like from here, you have 6 phone. Okay. Give the example. His phone is quite uh, reasonings. For example, you have $6 from home. Your mom gave you like $6, and you want to give $2 to each of your friends. So how many friends that you have given? How many? Three, yes, three. So to figure out that 3 friends, how can you figure out? Yeah, we divide 6 by 2. Correct, correct. Now go back to our questions. We know that we have a trail mix 2 1/4. 2 1/4, it means this is a mixed number. We call mixed number, right? 2 1/4 is a 2 quarter, correct? 2 quarter. The word like another English complicated word is 2 quarter. How about 2 and a half? This is we call 2 and a half, right? 2 1/2 is 2 half. Sometimes we write a decimal. Have you studied decimal yet? Yeah. So how can we write this into decimal? 2.5, yes, 2.5. It's a good understanding. Like 2 half is 2.5. But for example, sometimes it's a little bit complicated. It's like 2 1/3. We know that 2 and then plus 1/3, right? So how can we compute 2 1/3? We compute this mixed number to fractions. Yes, can we write this mixed number into a fractions? Mhm. Yes, 7 correct. So we multiply this and adding here. So if you have a mixed number, we multiply 3 by 2 plus 1. It's a numerator and divide by the denominators we have. Okay. And then if we get the result, 7 divided by 3 is something like 2.3333. It's not terminated, so it's 2.3333. But the main thing here is 2 and 1/3 is 2 plus 1/3. This is the real meaning of the mixed number. Okay, now you know the next mixed number. Now, what is our 2 and 1 over 4? Here. Yes, to the fraction. 2 1 over 4 is 9 4. Yes, 9 4 is 9 fours. Okay, wow. Now you already understand a lot of things. So this problem is not very hard. So we have 9/4 pound. The question will say like 9/4 pound of the trail mix, and we put the trail mix into the bags, and each of the bag have 3/8 pound. Right? The question tell like that. Correct. So to know how many bags we already put the trail mix in, how can we do? What KCF? What is it? Okay, so yes, yes. Please give me explanations. Okay. We have the different method, but okay, I know like change flip is like now to divide. So meaning it's 9/4 divide by 3/8, right? And then your method is keep change flips. Ah, flip. To eight flip. Correct. So the logically, okay, definitely, if we divide two fraction like this, we we keep the first fraction multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, this is the simple way. But yes, this is the other method that you have from teachers. So yes, same way, same. So okay, keep change flips. Now to find how many bags that we have. So how to find many bags? So we can find how many bags is to divide the trail mix by the weight that received in the trail mix, which is 9/4 times 3/8. Then we know how many bags that we have, right? Yes, like there's a lot of example that we just given. So now we want to know how many back that we have. We divide these two fraction. So what can we have? 9 times 3 divided by 4 times h. Oh, oh, sorry. Not 3/8, it's 8/3. Right? We multiply with the flips. Okay, then it's equal to 72/12. Yes, 72/12. But can we simplify this? We can simplify the with what number do you think? With two? Can we simplify with two? When this is even number, it's always simplified by two. This is even number. Right? This is even number. So when even number, it's always simplified by two. Always simplified by two. Now 72 divided by two is 36 over 6. Correct. 36 over 6. Now, yes, now 36. 36 is an even number. 6 is also an even number, right? So should we simplify with 2 again? Even number always divisible by 2. Always. Yeah, so this is even number, this is even number, this is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So simplify by 2 again, we have 18 over 3, yes. Now, can these simplify by 2? Yeah, we have odd denominator, so these cannot simplify by 2. 18 can, but this cannot, so cannot simplify by 2. Can we simplify more? This, yeah, we can simplify by 3, so we have 18 divided by 3 is 6 over 1. Is 6 over 1. Can we write it as 6? Can we write as 6? 6 divided by 1 is 6 again, right? Okay, so yeah, basically it's the whole number. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So, yeah, how many back do we have as for now? It's 6 back, right? Yes. So the first hypothesis give us let us know that we have 6 bags, but they say that they continue saying that they bring 2 over 3. They bring 2 over 3 of those bag, of those trail mix bag for hiking. For hiking. Hiking. Now we already found that we have total of 6 bag, and we know that we take 2 hours 3. This 2 over 3 means 2 hours 3. If we have 3 bag, we take 2 bag out. If we have 6 bag, how many bag do we will take for hiking? We take 6 to fraction. How can we take 6 to fraction? 1 under 6. 6 1. Yes. Okay, 6 1 and div- divide. Should we divide? If we divide, for example, if we divide, then it will be the number inside of that. For example, if we divide some things into that. Okay, simpler, like simpler. For example, if we have 3 bags, and this means 2 hours 3 bag for hiking. So if we have 3 bags, logically we know that we will take 2 bags for hiking, right? So now we know that after we figure out we have 6 bags. What do you think? How many bags we have for hiking? Just guessing first, and then we do the calculation later. Yeah, how many do you think? Without any calculation. These mean interpret that 2 over 3 bags for the hiking. They take 2 over 3 bags for hiking. So if they have three bags, overall three bags, two of them will take for hiking, right? Now our answer is six bag. Total is six bag. So how many will you take for hiking? Okay. So let's say like this. You have $3. Like one day you have $3. You take only $2 to school. $4 you keep at home. So the second day you will receive another $3, which is $6, right? Which is $6. So how many you take to school again? $2. This is $2. So how many dollar that you have already taken to the school? Yes. Yeah, take $2 again. $4. So simply to this question, if you have you take three 2 hour of free bags to the hikings. So meaning if you have three bags, you take two to the hiking. Now if you have six bags, because we figure out that we can have six. So if you have six bags, how many will you take for hiking? If we have three bags, we take two for hiking. This what they the hypothesis tell us. 2/3 hiking mean if we have three bag, two will take for hiking. Now, if we have six bag, how many can we take for hiking? A little complicated or what? A little complicated. Okay, let's make it another example. If, for example, you always take 2 out of 3 pen to the school. Now you have six pen. How many will you take to the school? You have six pen, right? Two, three, four, five, six. The now we have like two, four, six pen, and now the hypothesis tell you that you take 2 out of the 3. 2 out of 3. If you have three, you take two. One you can, but now you have six. So how many pen do you take? Okay, this is three. This is three. So when there's three, you take only two. Then you have four pen left. Right? Is it a little complicated? Okay, as far as you understand, then it's good. Okay, so we know that it will be four bags, right? Logically, it will be like four bags for the hiking to take for the hiking. Now, to calculate this, to calculate this, we take. Let's okay, 1 minute. So to figure out that is four bag is 203. We take 2/3 times 6. Why we multiplies? Yeah, why we multiply? We so the answer to figure out of the four, right? We know that it will be four hiking. Go for hiking. Four back. Yes, th- that is correct. That is correct. Mm-hmm. Bad. But okay, this maybe my explanation is to let you know logically without any calculation, without doing any math, then you can realize, oh, two out of the three hike bags go for hiking. If I have six bags, I will have four bags for the hiking. Okay, this is logically, but this is mathematically, right? Mathematically, to figure out that four bags, we multiplies. We not divide, we multiplies. Any question? No. Mhm. Okay, okay. So number. Okay, now the problem is where's the four? Oh, here four bags. So we take four bag for the hiking. That is the asking questions. That's what they ask, right? Can you determine how many bag left? Oh, how many bag left? Oh, now the question. Now we know that four bag have taken to the have you have brought to the hiking. So the question is asked, how many bag the trail mix left are left? Yeah, we have six bag. We figure out that oh, we put the trail mix in the bag. Each bag receive these weight. Then we figure out the bag. How many bag do we have? Right, six bag, which is six bag. We already find in the question one. In the step one. Step two, we figure out. Our goal is to figure out how many bag we have taken to the hiking, which is four. Now you have six bag. Step one, you have six bag, and you take four bags for your hiking already. So how many bag do you have left? Yeah, you take four away. Yeah, you have two. So why do you know you have two? Mathematically, subtract. Yes, we subtract. Subtract by four is two. Yes. So we have two bag left. That is the answer. Yeah, they asked how many bag left, not how many bag you have go for hiking. So how many bag left is two bags left. Okay. So, mhm. So that's six bags, two bag. This is a little complicated because like this pound and this pound. I thought these and this is a little complicated for you, but you have already understand the converting from the mixed number to the fraction, so it's not very hard for you. You just would like to understand the concepts, yes, a bit more. But for this exact question, do you like getting the concepts? Now you find it a little bit simpler, right? Mm-hmm. That's good. That's good to hear that. So, okay, so these, okay. Number nine is okay. Number nine is even okay, right? Number nine is not really complicated. So we just multiply and get this. Okay. And okay, another multiplication method, the multiplication of the fraction method. We have a other faster way that we can simplify directly. Here, for example, this fraction 2 over 3 times 6, it will be like 12 over 3 and we receive 4 backs. So 2 over 3 times 6 will be 12 over 3 and we get 4. Another way to simplify and make it faster is now, but need your like thinking a little bit faster too. 6 and 3. Do you see the relationship between 6 and 3? You can divide them. You can divide them. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Yes. 2 times 6 over 3. Can we write these to this? Yeah. Can we can we write 2 divided by 2 over 3 times 6 to 2 to 2 times 6 over 3? Can we write this to this? Yes, because 2 over 3 times 6, can we write 6 over 1? Yeah. Then to multiply two fraction, we multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, right? Right. Which is 2 times 6. Like we don't want to multiply yet. So 2 times 6 divided by 3. Okay. So then we can write this to this. You get what I want to make. Yeah, you get what I want to talk about. So we can write this to this. So faster way, just put 6 in the denominator. So 2 times 2 over 3 times 6 means 2 times 6 over 3. You can write. And then what is 6 divided by 3? We can write 2 times 6 over 3. Can we write from this to this? Yes, we already understand. Now, can we write this to this? From this to this? Uh, yeah, 2 times 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 times 6 divided by 3. We separate the fractions. Yes. These we can adding up. These we can separate it back. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2. Yes. So meaning that 2 times 2, which is 4. Which is 4. Okay. These may be like the concepts, but later on, maybe when you, this is like, okay, this is the concept, but later on, when you just see 2 over 3 times 6, you can immediately write it as 2 times 6 over 3 from this to this. Then you must divide this. Oh, this is 2 that you already know. So 2 times 2 is 4. Why I also tell you this, because majority of the student, many student prefer multiplication than division, right? Even you, maybe. Yeah, yeah, you prefer multiplication than division, because like division sometimes, oh, I don't know, like it's divisible or not. Yeah, yeah. Super mad. And then like this is- and then like bigger number, it's go like bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Divide by bigger number. Oh my god. Take a lot of times. Okay, so for question number 9 and number 10, no other questions. No question. Okay, so let's call it a day. And for our class, we will do. I got schedule from your mom that we have different day. Like now, currently you are still in Friday, but I'm already Saturday. So our class will be my time Tuesday, Wednesday, 9 o'clock. Tuesday, Wednesday, 9 o'clock, which is what day in your Monday? Monday nights and Tuesday nights, and Thursday, Friday, 8 o'clock. Wait, I forward this to you. Maybe easier. Yes, yes, so that we don't confuse and yes. Okay, yes, yes, correct, correct. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so my day is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so we will see you on next week's. Okay. And if you have any other homework, you can drop to me, and I can correct for you and give the explanation in the next class. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah, see you next week. Good night.